We all have dreams that we want to accomplish in life, but unfortunately, many of us won't achieve them. Not many people are willing to put in the work. Not many people are willing to remain consistent and disciplined. If achieving our goals was easy, then everyone around us would be successful. Everyone would be happy. Everyone would be living out their true purpose in life. But that's not what we see. We see people who are unhappy, miserable, and tired. It's easy to be average. Just live your life. Just follow the crowd. Be entertained by social media all day, each day. And before you know it, 30 years would have passed and you're at the same place. The decisions that you make and the actions that you take each day will determine the outcome of your life. Many people remain stuck and never get to transition into the next phase of their life because they're so concerned about the opinions of people. It's human nature to want to feel accepted and liked by other people. But this oftentimes is the reason why many people don't pursue that business idea. Oftentimes, this is the reason why many people don't pursue that course that would better their life. It could be that you want to improve your physical appearance, but you have become so paralyzed by fear, which is a result of the constant thoughts of, what will people think if I do this? You don't want to be judged. But let me tell you this, the truth is nobody cares. Everyone is busy trying to live their own life and facing their own struggles. Do what you want to do for you. Improve your life. At the end of the day, you only have one life. So just do you.
Life just too short to be doing things that make you unhappy and miserable. If you spend your remaining days to do something you not even feel inspired by, then what is sense? Ask yourself. You need to stop doubt yourself. Stop limit yourself. There is more that you can contribute to life than where you contribute right now. There is more to you. Come out of your comfort zone and pursue the thing them with your heart. A few things them you need to go for it and stop remain so complacent like somebody go come and give to you. Me no care who say them no believe in you. It no matter. I know for your business if they no believe. You believe in yourself and go do the things them you need to do. Stop wait for people to validate you. Nothing go come to you if you not get up and go for it.
What's more painful than loving someone who doesn't care? We try to let go, but the memories just don't want to leave. They have no clue as to the amount of pain they have put us through. They had been blinded to the realness of our love. How me I could love it if my heart is broken?
We heart get cold now.
How me I could love it if my heart is frozen?
It lock up and it keep dash way.
How me I could love it if my heart is broken?
Nah, make nobody come in.
How me I could love it if my heart is frozen?
We work too hard to get where we did today. We make nobody bring me back at that dark place. We work too hard to make nobody take we for a fool.
But behind that wall of fear,
we all long for true